Hello everybody, I'm back on this very, that might not be so good, cold night in New England in my motorhome. I just went out and grabbed the ThredUP box that came today. I ordered another mixed clothing, supposed to be 25 pieces, rescue box. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Louise. I'm a full-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. And I was going to do this video tomorrow when it was warmer and the light was better, but quite frankly, I kind of can't wait. My last box was so good, and this one probably won't be as good, but let's check it out together. It's very light, like way, way, way light. So I'm assuming it's going to be all summer stuff. Hopefully it won't all be from Walmart. Fingers crossed. Cat. The cat. Mittens. Okay. Sorry, everybody. 25 pieces. This one was before the, there's currently like a, excuse me while I throw something at my cat. There's currently a free shipping code. This I ordered before that. I do have some more coming with where I used that, but this is before that. So I think I paid like $75 for these 25, hopefully, items. So cutting it open. Also from Pennsylvania, if anybody wants to know. Mixed size rescue box, $60 plus whatever the shipping was. Tissue paper. Okay, I see some, let's see. I can't see, some sequins, some denim, and a lot of black. We'll start with the sequins. Okay, Ann Taylor, not great, wouldn't pick it up, but this is fun for the holiday season. Little cowl neck, size extra small. So there's that. These are J brand mid-rise skinny jeans. Again, wouldn't probably pick these up, but dark wash. These aren't terrible. They just J brand hasn't done well for me in many years, and skinny jeans also not great. And these are a size 25 waist, so really tiny. So I'll probably list them because I have them, but I wouldn't pick them up. Okay, J. Crew Super 120s. Navy blue blazer. I will definitely list this. I used to do better with these than in recent years, but still worth listing. This is from holiday 2011, so definitely not a current item, but because it's a navy single button blazer, it's fine. Okay, this is Banana Republic, size small. Are you a dress? No, you're a romper, jumpsuit. So these are, it's like a wide leg jumpsuit. This fabric is really interesting. It's probably just polyester, but it's really interesting feeling fabric. I was gonna try, like, you kind of can't, I don't really know how to explain it. It feels kind of wet. It's not wet, but it feels, yeah, I wish I could, I don't know the right word. And it doesn't appear, oh no, here we go. Oh yeah, so it's modal, spandex, and polyester. Anyway, this is fine. Again, Banana Republic, not a brand I would seek out, but it's fine. I'm not mad about it. I swear my cats think they should dig to China in the litter box. It's really annoying. All right, what have we got here? Okay, new with tags, Loft. Size 6, pencil skirt, little polka dots, like a Swiss dot kind of thing almost, not quite. Again, I wouldn't pick this up if I was out thrifting, but the holiday season, it's not a bad piece. Yeah, this is the last box. Everything was like folded and pretty, and this one is not. Okay, this is Tory Burch, size large. Little sweater blouse. I'm trying to see what's potentially wrong with it, because that's a pretty darn good brand. Although I don't generally do well with Tory Burch clothing. And I can't tell in this light if this is black or navy, but it has cute little accent buttons on the shoulders, so that's fine. Loft, size small, navy blue, like suiting vest. Again, probably wouldn't pick it up. There's so far not actually been anything I probably would have picked up. The Tory Burch if it was cheap enough. But again, I'm not mad about these things. I will sell them. Or try to sell them. Banana Republic, size 6. This really needs a wash. I hope those come out. It's just like a maroon little circle skirt. Size 6. Nothing special. Also, it's fine if it comes out. Okay. These are Gymshark leggings. I have not sold Gymshark in a hot minute. I'm assuming these are like a nothing nowadays. Unless they're back, but I don't imagine that that's the case. And there's no size. So, I don't know that I will try to sell those. I'll comp them, but I imagine probably not. Okay. More Ann Taylor, size small, petite. Just a little dress. Again, nothing special. Wouldn't pick it up, but I will sell it. Cat is driving me nuts. Okay, this is Express, size large. I'm not even really sure what's happening here. Oh. Cat! Okay, so it goes like this. That I probably will not list. Truth be told. This is more Loft, size medium. Black on the front with a little peekaboo of floral, and then the back is the same. Very traditional Loft top. Again, I think that's the theme of this box. I wouldn't pick it up. This is International Concepts, so Macy's, like house brand. This is sheer up here. Size small. I don't know if I said that. Black tank top. I probably won't list that either. These are just Nike size extra small leggings with the logo. I might try to sell these. They're in pretty nice shape. Okay, I'm not real thrilled with this box, guys. This looks like it might be Lululemon, but I don't see any sort of logo, so it's unlikely. This is the reason I thought so, though. The back, I don't know if you can see, the back seam. No, I guess it's not. I thought it was kind of, you know, in that horseshoe shape. Yeah, so this has no brand and no tags. So this is also something I can't sell. I suspect this was a loser box, guys. This is Athleta, size 8 petite. It is a newish Athleta tag. These are wide legs, so I will sell these. For sure. So I was totally wrong about it being a summery box. These are Banana Republic size 4 tweed shorts. Okay, that was a little summery, but they're tweed, so maybe it's not. Yeah. Okay. These are J. Crew new with tags ruby pant. Also navy blue. This is like a straight leg bordering on skinny leg. I'll look up what ruby pant is. These are also J. Crew factory. Fine. Again, not super stoked about it. White House Black Market, size 6, just a navy pleated skirt. Yeah, so this is definitely a crappy box. This happens when you buy these rescue boxes. This is a pair of J brand, old tag J brand. Also skinny and extremely short. Like these have to have been hemmed. Size 25. I don't think these are sellable. So, there's that. This is a Loft extra small, just a t-shirt with some lace at the bottom. Again, probably not worth selling. I'll leave it in my sell pile for now. These are ancient Gymshark leggings. These are definitely not something I can sell. This is Ralph Lauren, size 16, little wrap, faux wrap dress. Same story, different day. Madewell, these are new with tags, but they're high-rise skinny, size 25. I'll list these because they're Madewell and new, but I mean, unless they were really cheap, I wouldn't pick them up anymore. And the last item is a Sanctuary size large quilted jacket. So crappy box. Like not the worst I've ever gotten, but it's close. I'm gonna do the numbers. I'll be right back. Okay, there were exactly 25 items in the box, which is what they advertise. Of them, 20 are sellable, like Nothing is, like, I'm not throwing a party about anything in here, but 20 of them are sellable. And given that I'm doing this because my options for sourcing are really slim here, I'm going to take it. So 20 items, that makes each item about $3.72 per item. For these ones that are not listable will go to the thrift store. And I'll list these 20 after I wash them. So, you know, I'm not thrilled. I do have more coming. You take the good, you take the bad. It was at least good mall brands. Only a couple things were kind of yucky. That's my cat. So, you know, all in all, meh. It was a meh kind of box. What did you think? Have you gotten any of these recently? If you haven't already watched the one I got the other day, it was really good. I was very happy with it. I've already sold that one really nice jacket for 170 bucks. That one's already gone. And I've got a couple offers on other things I need to look at. So that box is already well paid for itself. This one's going to take a bit more, but I'll make my money back. So let me know what you think. Let me know which item was your favorite, if there was one. I don't really think I have a favorite. Maybe the Tory Burch, but I don't really think it's going to sell for much. Yeah, leave a comment. Come back next time. Once again, I'm going to say I'm going to keep doing this. I got another few boxes coming, so I'm at least going to do that many. Till then, happy selling.